Today I'm gonna make an unboxing video of Yamaha HS8. I just got it today. Let's see the items in the box. The first one, I think, is the cable with it. Yeah, here it is. I'm not just gonna make an unboxing video today. I'm going to make some sound testing with that, the sound quality. Here's the user manual, and this is the box. I ordered the white one. Now I'm going to test the sound quality of this. I ordered this one from Amazon. I got a Black Friday deal and it was $300. The actual price of this one was $400, and for Black Friday I got it for $300. This is the TS cable I'm using. You can use the XLR cable for that too. Here's this one for XLR cable and this one for TS cable. I just turned on this one.